This is a circuit diagram of a ring counter. Here 4 flip-flops are used. All these flip-flops are of D type. 4 D flip-flops are used. Output of first is used as a input to the second. Output of second is used as a input to the third. Output of third is used as an input to the fourth, and output of a last, that is a fourth flip-flop, is used as a input to the first flip-flop. Okay. Clock input of all 4 flip-flops shorted together and clock is given, and all these flip-flops are negative edge triggered. Here clear input of all the flip-flop except the first. Clear input of all the flip-flop except the first is shorted, and preset input of first and clear input of all is shorted, and clear pulse is given like this. So when clear pulse is given like this, what will happen? The first flip-flop, okay, will get set, because here logic 0 will be given to the preset input. So all these preset and clear inputs are logic active low. So here this flip-flop will get set, but all these 3 will get cleared, means will get reset. In other words, this QA will be 1, but this QB, QC and QD will be 0. Okay. So what will happen in the next clock cycle? Okay. So this 1 will come here. Okay. And this 0, the 0 will come here, 0 will come here, and that 0 will come here. Okay, so in second clock cycle 1 will come here. In third clock cycle that 1 will come here. Okay, but the previous 0 will come here, that 0 will come here. Okay, so 0, 0, like this. Okay, so that's why that 1 will keep on circulating. So this is called as a ring counter. Basically it is not a counter, it is a register. Now let's see the simulation. Now here 4 D flip-flops are used. First D flip-flop, second D flip-flop, third D flip-flop, fourth D flip-flop. Output of first is given as an input to the next. Output of next is given as an input to the third. Output of third is used as an input to the fourth, and output of fourth, that is the last flip-flop, is used as a input to the first. Clock input is given simultaneously to all the flip-flops. Now here clear input of these 3 flip-flops. Clear input of these 3 flip-flops and preset input of first. Connected together, and here this will act as a, here you have to give a pulse. Okay, so now let's see the simulation. So here I am giving the pulse means momentarily you have to connect it to the this signal, you have to momentarily make it 0. So here I'm making it 0 and then 1. Okay, so when you make it 0, what will happen? This will get set, but all three will get reset. So because of that, okay, this probe is glowing, but all these three will not glow. Okay, now I will make it 1 and see what happens. So when I make it 1, okay, that 1, okay, in every clock cycle it gets shifted right. Okay, and then at the end now again it comes back, because the output of that is given as an input to the first. So this 1 will keep on circulating, 1 will keep on rotating. So this is called a ring count.